I have with me Trinamool Congress leader, AITC Parliamentary Party Chief and also Member Parliament, Derek O'Brien. Thank you very much. Pleasure talking to you, Mr. O'Brien. I want to know from you, a lot has been spoken about by the Bharatiya Janata Party of this sudden change in Mamata Banerjee in trying to project herself as a Hindu icon. It is also being questioned what was the need to read out or recite the Chandi part from a stage. Is this political fear?
Firstly, Mr. Upadhyay, thank you for the promotion, but I'm not the parliamentary party chief. I'm the Rajya Sabha leader. Shudip Bandyopadhyay is the Lok Sabha leader. Okay, that done. You see, the story of Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister, last 10 years, she has been doing development work. She's been talking about the development work. BJP have lost that part of the story. So the only way they hope to have some gain in the vote in Bengal is to try and start their usual Modi-Shah special narrative, is be divisive, is to polarize. So today, they got it straight from the Chief Minister of West Bengal. You want to do this kind of thing? Good enough. We'll take you on. We've beaten you on development. Now come. Because this is the way they're trying to be devious. And we don't want any lectures from the BJP as to how they've interpreted. The lectures we will listen to after May the 2nd. By the way, the Nandigram seat did not have an MLA when Mamata Di announced her nomination. The MLA had resigned. Then she announced her willingness to stand in Nandigram. BJP are now in a position we wanted them to be. They will chase our narrative. We've announced our 291 candidates. They've announced 57. They can't announce all. Now what happened? 5 of our MLAs who didn't get tickets, they ran to the BJP. So good, it's become a rejection ground, and Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah might come here as often as they want, but they know that they don't even have a chief minister candidate. Simple question, Mr. Upadhyay, you're interviewing BJP every day, and all the channels are. Who is taking on Mamata Banerjee? Is Mr. Modi or Mr. Shah voting in Bengal? Are they standing for the MLA election? No. So it's Mamata Banerjee who has gone right out there and said, yes, I'm setting the narrative. Sure. Now you play, follow the leader. Okay.
Okay. But, you know, Derek, see, the thing is, yes, you're right. They don't have a leader as to who their chief ministerial face is going to be. But again, this is a decision that they may or may not take before the election. My point very simply was, ahead of the election, was there a need felt by Mamata Banerjee to project herself, right? So BJP is chasing a narrative where they're saying that there's too much of Muslim appeasement being done by Mamata Banerjee. That's been their main poll issue against Mamata Banerjee. Is this a response to that? And i.e.
It's not their main...
Yeah.
You see, for those of us who live in Calcutta, what do we do on Kali Puja day? Huh? It doesn't matter what religion I belong to. I spend one night in my pada where I grew up in Jammirlin in Baliganj, and the rest of the evening, Mamata Di has a pujo in their household, which is Kali Pujo. Durga Pujo is held, it's like a festival. It's the world's biggest festival. These festivals go beyond any religion. Do you know, it's nothing new. I've been in Trinamool Congress from 2003, 2004. Mamata Di doing pujo before she leaves. These are all private. You know, religion is a very private issue. Festivals are in the public space. But when you want to try and do this, then you'll get it back from Mamata. And I don't think we should be getting into this story at all. Talk to us also about health. Talk to us about education. Talk to us about unemployment and how it's improved here. Talk to us about agriculture. Talk to us about road infrastructure. No. Mamata Di has made these promises and delivered. And Mr. Modi and Shah, the same people who announced demonetization and said, give me 51 days and I'll solve it all. What did Mamata Di do? In 2 hours' time, she told you, withdraw this draconian decision. Now, who owns Nandigram? That's another very interesting thing. Who kind of owns the movement. That's also up for debate now, because someone is trying to appropriate that. You know, so that will be shown on May the 2nd. Mr. Upadhyay, today you are 9 o'clock anchoring NDTV. Good. Before that, there was Ms. Razdan, before that Ms. Dutt, before that Mr. Sardesai. But the foundation of NDTV, the idea was Dr. Prannoy Roy and Radhika Roy. So good luck to everybody else who is building on the foundation. But today at 9 p.m. if you say, "Hi, Dr. Roy, Radhika, no, I am the person in charge," that's the time Dr. Roy and Radhika Roy will stand up and say, "You're great, Mr. Upadhyay today." Not yet. Not yet.
In other words,
in a sense, the story of Nandigram told you.
You are comparing
in media terms.
You're comparing us lesser mortals, anchors, with a Shubhendu Adhikari who's trying to appropriate the position. And
no. You see,
and Dr. Roy is
Mr. Upadhyay, listen.
Mamta Banerjee.
Mr. Upadhyay. Huh? No. It's a long, see, it's a long election campaign. 60 days. Okay, we are quietly confident. So we still have a sense of humor. We don't have to be so serious only on national television. It's a long campaign. And by the way, the long campaign actually doesn't suit us. It suits us in one way because Mamta Banerjee can go and campaign everywhere. But honestly, I'll tell you, and I'm not shy to tell you, a long campaign doesn't suit a political party like the All India Trinamool Congress. It suits the BJP. Because when you're running a 60-day campaign, they have no budget. They are an infinity party. They are infinity with money. So we are telling people also on the ground that take the money, please, but then cast your vote in favor of Trinamool. So that's our biggest challenge. How do we fund this campaign over a long period of time? And that's where actually is one of the BJP, plus they have allies. They have such good allies. Like today the ally has just done something. I don't know whether this news is confirmed or not confirmed, but I just saw. Now the Director General of Police also has been changed. Then the other 3 allies will never let them down. They are solid allies, and all you anchors, Mr. Upadhyay, are saying all the allies are left them. You're like unnecessarily communicating this misinformation. Why are you saying all the allies have left them?
Go ahead
CBI
and name those allies also.
ED is there. IT is there. All of them are there. CBI, ED, all the love letters will come from cases of 2011, 12. They are also a large washing machine company. Their Bengal branch is a washing machine company. You know, you're in Trinamool, you're all mucky and you've got everything here. And then magic, you go into the washing machine and out you come, all smiling and bubbly, go to Hastings office and Proto, they will make you the new washing machine clean. So there is still, this is serious.
Okay.
I just put it across in a light-hearted way. It's a long election. We are also looking at our numbers. We are also doing our polls. I believe there were some polls out. Unfortunately, I didn't see them. I must catch them now. Somebody came and said he'll win. You know, when I used to go and bat in the school team, I was an ordinary wicket keeper. But whenever I went, I was trying to show off, and today I'm going to make 200. I can't even make 50 runs. I'm saying I'm making 200. Chalo, khela hobe.
All right. Nice talking to you, Mr. Derek O'Brien. Thank you so much. It'll be important for me to.
Always.
Yeah. Thank you so much.